How to fix GTA 5 enhanced crash. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. In first step, verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher, right click GTA 5 in your library, select properties, install files or similar option available. Click verify integrity of game files. These checks for missing or corrupted files and restore them automatically. Then update your graphic drivers. Make sure your GPU drivers are connected. Visit the NVIDIA or AMD website. Download and install the latest drivers for your graphic cards. The enhanced edition can be demanding and outdated drivers are a common cause of crashes. Rename or move the mods folder from your GTA 5 directory. Try launching the game without any modifications. Some older mods can conflict with updates in the enhanced edition. Now upgrade it from an older version, uninstall GTA 5 completely, reinstall the game to a fresh directory. This prevents compatibility issues caused by leftover files from older versions. If crashes persist, contact Rockstar Support program to check for ongoing issues or patch announcements. Thank you for watching. That's it.